Friends, welcome to Juani's garden. My name is Juani. Friends, look at this beautiful, beautiful and huge celery that I'm about to pull out from the garden. This will make a really good addition to a potato salad. And I'm cleaning this bed. I'm removing all these other little celeries because this year I'm not planting anything over here. I'm going to just clean it up really good. I just moved a longevity spinach from in here. I'm growing compost right there. So I'm going to let that mature and then I'm going to clean this up really, really good. And these celeries are going to be moved. This is ready to be eaten. These are little, so the little ones are moving to another area because friends, I don't want to have anything on here because it is extra work, and since we're not staying, this is our last year here. I'm just going to, there's the bed right there. It's a good size, but I'm just going to clean it up and I'm not going to have anything there. That'll save me a good 15 minutes of watering. I'm not going to grow anything in here either. This is all really good soil. And this container here, I'm going to also clean it up, not grow anything either. But you know, friends, look, cantaloupe, volunteers, cantaloupe, because I've grown cantaloupes here before. In fact, there's a little tiny celery there. The celery goes wild. And again, I'm going to clean all this up because I need to start getting this house ready for sale. This little shade here, it's like a little arbor. I'm going to take it down and it's going to go to the New Mexico property also. Here's a view from the other side. I don't know if you can see better or not. There it is. And see, a little shade. So that's going. And friends, I don't have much time. I gotta get this cleaned up. Everything that is on the ground is staying, but anything that's like in grow bags like these is going with me. Anything in containers like these, my oregano, it's going with me. And friends, look, let me show you what happened. This oregano here was cascading over. It grew very long and it was cascading over and it landed on this this container here where I have a tree growing. And look, it rooted. And then at the base here, I've got a little peach tree growing up. I'm gonna have to pull that out. But anyway, anything in containers is coming with me. I'm not gonna take them just yet, these containers, because they still need to be taken care of. And I'll take care of them here, but I will eliminate whatever I can. Friends, here it is. Look at this beautiful root system. And this was a volunteer, friends. Awesome. Beautiful. Nothing like homegrown. Friends, thanks so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. See you again soon.